Check out this Samsung Galaxy A71 review. With the Samsung Galaxy A71 at CES 2020, Samsung believes it's hit on exactly what consumers need: big screens, plenty of cameras, and long battery lives. This phone was designed for the TikTok generation, a younger audience that consumes and creates lots of video content online. With a price of £419, around $550, $800 the Samsung Galaxy A71 is competitive in the market. The contracts should be equally strong, but we still have to wait to find out how much they'll cost. The Samsung Galaxy A71 is all about its 6.7-inch display. While it dominates the phone's front, the minimal bezels around the sides make it easier to hold. You'll get Samsung's Infinity O screen technology and a punch-hole camera at the top of the device. It sits in the notification bar, thus not intruding on normal usage. Even though it's the same lens, the A71's front camera takes up more space than the Galaxy A51's. A71 uses Super AMOLED Plus, versus A51 Super AMOLED, which makes it thinner, lighter, but means the camera cutout needs to be larger. It measures 163.6 by 76 by 7.7 millimeters and weighs 179 grams, making it relatively manageable. It is still pretty massive though, and you will have trouble stretching your thumb top to bottom. A power button, volume key, and USB-C fast charging port are located on the right. The A71 and A51 have a new prism effect on the rear, which adds a little bit of intrigue and individuality. Galaxy A71 will be available in a range of colors, including black, silver, blue, and pink. Focusing on the display, its 6.7 inches of Super AMOLED Plus makes it bright and colorful. It has a full HD Plus resolution, 1080 by 2400, that provides good detail. You can also use face recognition or a fingerprint scanner to unlock the phone. Its front-facing, 32MP camera produces excellent selfies even in the slightly off-balance lighting of Samsung's booth. In our brief test, the Galaxy A71 produced clearly illuminated, detailed images with its main 64MP, f/1.8 sensor. By tapping an icon on screen, you can open the camera's 123-degree, 12MP wide-angle mode. You also have a 5MP macro and 5MP depth camera, which Samsung calls Live Focus. It could also be a star when it comes to battery life. Galaxy S10 Plus has a smaller battery at 4,100 mAh, but Galaxy Note 10 Plus has a bigger battery at 4,300 mAh. Samsung's Galaxy A71 has an octa-core processor and 6GB of RAM, some regions will get 8GB. As well as running Android 10, this device has 128GB of storage, which is more than enough for most users. The Galaxy A71 also has a microSD slot that supports cards up to 512GB.